Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknathrav Kharse Talent School Muktanagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your computer teacher, and today we are going to solve our chapter 2nd, worksheet 2. What is our chapter name? Parts of a computer, worksheet 2. First, you write your name here. I am writing my name. You write your name. Okay. In this way, you can write your name. Understand? Now see. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. You have to write the answer in only one word. Okay? See. What is the first sentence? It has a click buttons. It has a click buttons. Which part have the click buttons? Mouse. Mouse has the click buttons. It is used to listen to music without disturbing others. We are listen the music with the help of headphones without disturbing to others. We are not disturbing to others with the help of headphones. Okay. Now the next. It displays text and pictures. Who displays text and picture? Monitor. Monitor displays text and picture. It is the brain of the computer. Who is the brain of the computer? CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. It is used to store the data. Who is used to store the data? CD. What you write here? CD. Or pen drive. Okay? Pen drive. PENDRIVE. Pen drive. Okay? It has keys used to type alphabets and numbers. Which parts, computer part we are using to type alphabets and numbers? Keyboard. What? Keyboard. Okay? So, these are all the one word. Understand? Very good. Now, next question. What? Fill in the blanks. CPU, print, television set, keys, mouse pointer. CPU, print, television set, keys, mouse pointer. These are the 5 options. Or 5 words. That options we have to write in these 5 fill in the blanks. I read first line. See. A printer is used to print. A printer is used to print. This option you write here. A printer is used to print text and pictures. Understand? Now, next. A monitor looks like a television set. This option you write here. This option. A monitor looks like a television set. Monitor looks like a television set. Understand? Now next. The dash dash carries out all the instruction. Who carries out all the instruction? CPU. This option you write here, CPU. The CPU carries out all the instructions. CPU. This CPU carries out all the instructions. Understand? Now next. A small arrow that appears on the monitor is called a small arrow that appears on the monitor is called mouse pointer. What is called? Mouse pointer. Okay? A keyboard has many keys. Keyboard has many keys. In this way you can solve this, fill in the blanks. Understand? Very good. Now turn the page. On the next page, what the question is there? Name the images on the next page using the words from the box below. Have you seen this box? Very good. Now what is inside in this box? In this box there are some names. Which are these names? These are the names of the computer parts. Computer parts names are given here. Okay? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, speakers, printer, CD and pen drive. Okay? So these names we have to write here. See. Here have you look. There are some pictures here. Okay? That pictures. That part's name we have to write here. Here. Okay? First, what is this picture? What is the name of this picture? This is the pen drive. What it's called? Pen drive. Okay? Now, what is this picture? What is the name of this picture? Speaker. You know the speakers. What is the use of speaker? To hear the sound, to listen to music. Correct? Now next. What is this picture? This is the picture of printer. You write here. Printer. What the printer is doing? Printer take up prints on the paper. Correct? Now, what is this picture? This is the picture of CPU. What? CPU means what? CPU means Central Processing Unit. Means it is the brain of computer. Okay? Now next. See, what is this picture? It is the monitor. Monitor looks like a television set. It shows pictures, images. Correct? What is this picture? It is the mouse. What is mouse? Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. Okay? And mouse is a pointing device. What is this picture? This is the keyboard. What is the use of keyboard? Keyboard is used to type alphabets, numbers, symbols. What is this picture? This is the CD. CD means what? Compact disc. CD means what? Compact disc. Okay? Understand? Now turn the page. On the next page, what you see? A question. What that question? See. Write T for true or F for false. T for true or F for false. See, I read the first sentence. This sentence is true or false, that we write here. Okay? Now, read first sentence. A keyboard has a click buttons. Keyboard has a click buttons? Yes, this sentence is true. Then what you write here? T. Keyboard has a click buttons. We can print text. We can print a text or a pictures on a paper using a printer. We can take a prints on a paper. Yes, this sentence is correct. So you write T here. Means this sentence is true. So you write T here. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Yes, this sentence is true. So you write here T. A mouse is used to select the things. A mouse is used to select the things. Yes, mouse is used for select the things. This sentence is true. You write true here. The monitor is the brain of computer. Is the monitor is the brain of computer? No, this sentence is false. So you write here F. What you write here? F. Then who is the brain of computer then? CPU is the brain of computer. Understand? Very good. Now next question. What is the next question? C. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. It is used to listen to music. Who is used to listen the music? Headphone, keyboard or scanner? What we do with the keyboard? Keyboard is used for the typing and scanner is used to store the image. Then headphones. Headphone is used to listen to music. So this is correct option. You tick here. Understand? Now next. Second. It is used for typing the numbers and alphabets. Who is used for typing the numbers and alphabets? Keyboard, mouse or speaker? Speaker is used for listen to music. Mouse is for the pointing device or selection. And what is about keyboard? Keyboard is used for typing the numbers and alphabets. So you tick here. This is the correct option. Now turn the page. See. What is the question? It is used to store the data. It is used to store the data. Who is used to store the data? Mouse, speaker or pen drive? Mouse is a pointing device. Speaker are used to listen to music. And this is the pen drive. Pen drive is used to store the data. Pen drive is used to store the data. You tick here. Understand? You tick here. What is the next question? See. It is used to select the things in the computer. It is used to select the things in the computer. This is the headphone and headphone is used to listen to music. It is not coming. This is the speaker. Speaker is used for the music. Listen to music. But what is mouse? Mouse is used to select the things in the computer. So you tick here. This is the right answer. Okay. Now next. It is known as the brain of a computer. Mouse is the brain of computer. Keyboard is the brain of computer. No. Then who is the brain of computer? CPU. So you tick here. CPU is the brain of computer. Understand? Okay. Thank you, student. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now we will come on the next session with the chapter 3rd, worksheet 1st. Thank you.